Hey guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'll be doing a very super easy Christmas tree model. So without further delay, let's dive into it. Guys, for this Christmas tree super easy model, you need a square piece of paper, green, and some strips of green again. These may be, there are only four, probably you might need many more. So let's begin. First you just need to roll it around like this, and then stick this portion, make a cone, and cut this to make a cone, proper cone. All right, so this I'll do it, so keeping it aside. And then this one, what you need to do is you just need to fold this to say approx not half, but slightly less than half. And then what you need to do is you need to cut slits, make multiple slits, continuous slits, and keep this much, approx this much, say 1/3, to stick it to the cone. All right, so let me show it to you, and then we can continue making other. So you make slits like this, and this is how it forms. And then we'll take a pencil or a pen, let me get it, and then we do something like this. Basically we roll them. Like this we roll them, and then we'll just stick it. We apply glue or a double tape, and then we'll stick it like this, and this entire surrounding. Oops, we'll stick it till here, like this. This is how it forms. So now we have to make such multiple, uh, what do you call, the slit parts, and we have to stick it like this, like this, like this till the top. That's it. And then you can decorate it with some balls or stars, etc., etc. So let's finish this first, and I'll be back. This is how it looks. I've sticked all the strips like this in a circular fashion, and this is how it looks. As you can see, pretty clean, neat, and looks really beautiful as a Christmas tree. And here I just made a stick, a small stick, just took a color paper and just rolled it around with a pen. And this we'll just keep it like this. We'll stick it here in the center, and then we can stick this somewhere else, just like this. So this is the final Christmas model. I hope you loved it. It's very easy model. And Merry Christmas to everyone. Enjoy Christmas. That's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a super easy Christmas tree model, so go ahead, make one and enjoy Christmas. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2023. Stay tuned on my channel and take care, guys. Bye bye.